In this video, I will be showing you best image and video sizes for Instagram. Instagram videos must meet certain restrictions, much like on other social networking sites. This makes sure that videos posted to the site look as good and polished as they possibly can. More than just dimensions are required by Instagram's video size specifications. Aspect ratios, and the maximum file size are covered. Even if having all of this video might seem considered excessive, it's important to follow these instructions because it will save your time and effort. Your material will become more enticing as a result, which is important to Instagram users. You risk losing a viewer in a matter of seconds if your Instagram videos don't appear appealing or seem in any other manner unappealing. So, for example, for feed post sizes and square based content, for horizontal post, make sure that it's 16 by 9 aspect ratio. For classic square post, you just have to edit or to choose 1 by 1 aspect ratio. Now, for Instagram stories, you have to choose 1 or dimension 191 by 1 up to 9 by 16 aspect ratio. Now let's go on to Instagram Reels. And as we all know, Instagram Reels is, I think it's a vertical format. So what is the best ratio for Instagram Reels? So make sure that you're using aspect ratio of 9 by 16 and it should be full screen. Now let's go on to Instagram live videos, which is in vertical format. So the best dimension or aspect ratio for this is 9 by 16. That is the perfect one. So to make it short, when posting in Instagram, always remember for horizontal, you should upload a photo that is 16 by 9 aspect ratio. For square post, upload a photo that is 1 by 1 aspect ratio. And for a vertical post, upload a photo that is 4 by 5 aspect ratio. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.